Good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer in English, working at GPW Jogipet. Today's topic is future perfect continuous tense. What is the topic? Future perfect continuous tense. Okay. What is the future? Future means what will happen in next month. What will happen in next moment? That is the future. Then here we have perfect and continuous. Perfect and continuous. Perfect means what? Which was happened. And continuous means which will be going on. Which is going on. That is the continue. Here in a tense we are observing perfect and continuous when in future. Okay, means the work will started and be going on in the future itself. Okay, this is the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, here we have an information about the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous also sometimes called the future perfect progressive. Okay, the future perfect continuous also sometimes called the future perfect progressive. It is a verb. It is a verb tense that describes action that will continue up until a point in the future. The future perfect continuous consists of, means the structure of the future perfect continuous tense is subject plus shall or will. Here we are using the have form. Why? Because it is the perfect. In any perfect we should use the have forms. Have forms means what? Have, has, had. But here we are using the have. Then we are using been also. Here we are using been also. Why? It is going on action, means it is continuous action. Okay, in this tense we have perfect and continuous, so that we are using have for the perfect and been for continuous. And the verb for, in continuous we are using verb for, so that the structure is subject plus shall have been or will have been plus v4. Shall have been plus shall have been or will have been plus v4. This is the structure of the future perfect. Here we have a few sentences. We are going to observe these sentences according to this structure. I shall have been playing since evening. I shall have been playing hockey. I shall have been playing hockey since evening. Okay, means the work will started in the future and will be going on in the future. Means, okay, the work which will have started in the future and which will have been going on in the future itself. Okay, and the next sentence, you will have been playing hockey since evening. Okay, evening means it's the future time. It will happening in the future only. Okay, here by using the third person, boys will have been playing hockey since evening. Boys will have been playing hockey since evening. Again we have a few sentences. I will have been written article on different topics before you come. Okay, before you come, of course. Here we are saying future perfect continuous along with a simple present. Next, Robert will have been reading various kinds of books on this topic. Will have been studying. Okay, simply I want to give one more example which is not here. My uncle will have been continuing my uncle will have been continuing his 50 years of service by the next year. My uncle will have been continuing his 50 years of service by the next years. Okay, when he will reach the 50 years? When he will reach by the next year. And when it will be going on? By the next year only it will be going on. So that the work which will have started in the future and which will have been going in the future, that is the future perfect continuous tense. Here, okay, till now we have discussed positive sentences. What is the structure of the positive sentence? Subject plus shall have been or will have been plus V4 plus object. Okay, that is the structure of the positive or assertive sentences. Then here we have negative sentences. Already we have discussed what is negative. Negative means using the not. Not, it won't come independently. It always dependent of what? It always dependent of helping verb. Okay. Here we are observing the structure of future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall have not or will have not been plus V4. Okay, here we have subjects, sentences. I shall not have been living in Delhi. I shall not have been living in Delhi for 2 years. Next, you will have not been living in Delhi for 2 years. Okay, these are all the negative sentences. Once again, negative means using the not. It always dependent of the helping verb. Here we have shall or will. Shall not or will not have been plus V4. Okay, these are all the negative sentences. Okay, I will not have been working. You will not have been sleeping. She will not have been studying. He will not have been cooking. It will not have been training. We will not have been exercising. Okay, these are all the negative sentences. Then interrogative sentences. Interrogative means what? Interrogative means to pose the questions. Okay, the structure of the interrogative sentence is helping verb, subject plus main verb plus if we have an object we can use the object, then use the question mark. Okay, this is the structure of the interrogative sentences. Here helping verb will or shall plus subject plus helping verb means here we are using along with the shall or will we are using have been plus ing form V4. Okay, means here we have a note. Helping verb will or shall is placed before the beginning of the sentence. Beginning of the sentence means the interrogative sentence should start with the helping verb only, or sometimes it may start with the WH words also. Sometimes it may start with the WH words also. Okay, here we are using the shall or will to begin the sentence. Here we have an example. Shall I have been waiting for him for 1 hour? I shall have been waiting for him for 1 hour. We shall have been playing football since 2015. What will she have been baking since morning? These are all the interrogative sentences. Means yes no type questions. Yes no type questions means starts with the helping verb. If not starts with the helping verb, sometimes it may starts with the WH words. Okay, WH questions. Where will I have been working? Why will you have been sleeping? These are all the interrogative sentences. Okay, this is about the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, once again the structure of the future perfect continuous tense is subject plus shall have been or will have been plus V4 plus object. Okay, this is the future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.